So I just wanted to come in and just tell you guys how to do your baby hairs on your client. So you can also use your spoolie or the end of the edge brush and section out your hair in a diagonal motion, so definitely slanted. And you want to take some hair out and then also cut going in the also diagonal motion. So if you're doing the baby hairs to the left hand side, you should cut your hairs going downwards to the left, and then if you're doing it to the right, you cut downwards to the right motion going down, because you want the baby hairs to be slanted, so when you do swoop them, that they're not all in one accord, and it goes like from short to long, and they're not lumping over each other, because thick bulky baby hairs don't look good. You want this to be as natural as possible. So definitely, due to the fact that I knew this was going to be a, you know, push back side flip over method, no part, and my client wanted baby hair galore, that's what we're gonna do. So regarding the placement of baby hairs, each client will be different depending on how much forehead space they got, how big their head is, how small their head is, like how much baby hairs you can fit, also with their preference. If your client say they like a lot of baby hairs, you'll do a lot. If they say minimal, it all depends. So that will, you know, definitely go off of what their preference is. And then if they let you be like freestyle, do whatever, then that's when your creativity come in. You just do however you want and whatever you think will look best. So I definitely always have some foam on my hand. I forget the foam name, it will be in the description. And also got to be glue gel, and those are the two main products I use to do my baby hairs. And I also like to use the spoolie. As y'all see, I'm using my spoolie. If your baby hairs are too bulky, you definitely want to remove some hair. You could also part it with the edge brush, or you could just take a tweezer and lighten it up a little bit so that the baby hairs are not too bulky. So also, you want to make sure you're using your index finger to help maneuver and place your baby hairs. That's what the foam comes in at too. And then the got to be glue gel is what helps the baby hairs to be like hard and stay in place. You do need to blow dry them as you're going along. This is the way I do mine. And then, you know, use your index finger to help, you know, style them or move them into place so that they don't move. So this is giving very much baby hair galore. And yeah, that's all you have to do with your baby hairs. And that's like the final step, until you just want to mold everything to place with some free spray, making sure you blow dry everything down, blow dry your baby hairs as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some water for the final touches, and that basically sums up this video. Hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs up this video for more installments, client videos, and all of that good stuff. Mwah.